Hello guys, this is Splash My Trade Daily with Seb. Today I'm going to go over a Forex prop firm that I use called Funding Pips. They're really good, I like them. If you're in the United States, you can't use C-Trader. You can only use Match Trader or TradingView. Trade Locker. Those are the only two you can use. The Trade Locker one is not too bad. Match Trader one is not bad at all, really. And I just passed the 5K. I'm just doing the 5K challenge, and it's 32 bucks. It's not bad. And you can have all these. Okay, so like let's break it down. $32. 10,000 is $60, and 25K 139. It's not bad at all either. 50,000 is 239. 100,000 is 399. And so let's go to the 5,000. Just go base it off here. Let's just go like 100,000. If you were to buy $100,000 account, you have two phases. You have to do it in two phases. So phase one, 100K, profit target is 8%. So of course that's 8,000. 10%, you can't go down. You can't lose max overall. You can't lose 10,000. And then 5,000 daily loss limit. And so yeah, that's and then the profit splits is 80%. Is it 80-20? And then you get to a hot seat. If you can consistent get payouts, and then they put you in the hot seat where you get 90-10. So I'm basically gonna kind of do the scale plan, sort of. Basically, we're just gonna do this like a phases of the journey. I'm gonna give you guys updates of how this is gonna work out, how my progress is gonna go. So the goal is to potentially maybe I might get a 10,000 account. Maybe I'll do that, or I'll just do the 5,000 and just takes little by little, just take small profits. If I just make $200 a day, I make $200. It's fine. Even $100, I don't mind making $100 a day. I do not mind once I get funded. So I gotta wait for the second phase. Just past the second phase. I said past the first phase. We go to the first one. Past it. This is another account I got. I almost came close to passing this one, the second account, but I just did not follow my strategy. That was my stupid fault. I took more trades on this one too. But one day I passed it, so not bad. And so let's go. This is the Match Trader. That's actually the funded account. I failed that one. And then you can see all these paths, and this is when I first started. I've had this prop firm about a year ago, I think. I think it was like a year ago, and I just all these ones that did not pass. I just failed them. Was it a year ago? Maybe it was 2 years ago, actually. I think it's been a long time. I was just kind of getting irritated. And I was trying new strategies out too, but it's just this happens. You just gotta learn your lessons. Guys, just to finally get past. Finally this is why I broke out. Well, when I'm like, you know what, I'm gonna pass. I'm gonna pass this challenge, and I did. And I got to the funded. So and writing down in my journal, my trade journal. Gotta make sure I follow my strategy. I have to follow my strategy. Because if you don't follow your strategy and you don't, you're just gonna kill yourselves. You're just gonna kill yourselves. And so you can see, and it's cool. I like this cool chart. You can see this. Just consistency target or consistency of it. It shows you how consistent you are. It says my win ratio on this is about 72.73. I mean, you can even go back to your old ones, like here. Look at that. Like, I mean, look at this. 91.67. I mean, it keeps you... I like it. That's pretty cool. 75%. That was the second phase. And then this is just bad. 53%. Oh, man. That's just ugly. Ugly 33%. I was like, oh, I was just like... I got so frustrated that day. I was like, man, that's not my day today. But we'll see if I can pass the second phase on this. And also, I think you can just... On this prop firm, I believe... I need to read up the rules again. But I believe once you get funded, you literally just trade it for 5 days, and then you can request a payout. So that's cool. I don't know how the process is. I'm gonna once I get there, I'll get there. You know, I might buy a 10K challenge. I mean, it's pretty cheap. You know, 10K challenge, and use this Forex as an extra stream. This Forex prop firm as another stream of income. As like my top step. I have not funded my Apex yet. I just passed actually a new Apex account. We can look in here. I'm actually signed in. Oh, price actually is actually looking pretty good right now. Looks like we're coming down. Might be coming down back to this. Probably maybe back to this level. Either here, or we can potentially come to this zone right here. So potential. Or we might shoot back up. But, I mean, we do got this big order block. We almost took it out. Well, actually, we took most of it out anyways. Or actually, majority of it out. But anyways, not going to really trade this. This is a Asian session right now. I'm not going to even trade this. I'm signing the Top Step account. Just log out, and we just sign into the Apex account. And we just connect. And yep, we can see here past the second one. So we got this one passed, and we got the second one passed. And there we go, guys. That's the second. So you got the 1 and 2 accounts. I'm gonna trade one more account. I'm gonna start one more account on Apex, and then once I get that one funded, excuse me. Once I get that third one passed, then I'm gonna fund all 3 of those accounts. Then the end goal here, the goal would be to copy trade those. And then, some people, I don't know if you guys will, ask why, why would you copy trade? Why would you have multiple accounts? It's easier. It makes your life a lot easier. Because if you're really good at trading, it's a lot easier to do that. Guys, that's the good key. It's really good because you can minimize your max potential of what you want to make a day. The more accounts, the less you can make. It's like you could probably make literally $300 or $400 a day, and that's it. So that's why you would want to copy trade. I think it's a good thing to do, to copy trade your accounts. And I'll break it down too next video. I'm going to break it down in the next video on copy trading and break it all down. Maybe you can get a spreadsheet or maybe just get a PowerPoint and show you guys the numbers and like you'd be blown away like how much you can pull out. It's crazy. I'll do that in the next video. But yeah, this funny pips. Yeah, just passed it. This is the you just like refresh this and stuff. This is like XAUUSD gold here. My three. I mean, I do trade gold, but I usually just trade Euro USD, British Pound US Dollar, and the USD Japanese Yen. Of course, the gold. I do sometimes trade the Euro JPY. A lot of people don't like trading this because it's choppy. But if you're really good at support and resistance trading, this is a good one to trade. If you are a support and resistance trader like me, it's a really good one to trade. I have traded only a little bit. I make about $10, $20 on this. To me, it's just like, it doesn't really move. Unless if you're trading it in the London session and the New York session, then it's fine. But, the volume right now is just not there right now. Obviously, Asian session, you want to be trading the US dollar, Japanese yen. That's a big one to trade right now. And I mean, we can look at 30-minute right now. Let's actually look at a higher time frame. 1 hour. Maybe less than that. Actually, even look at 4 hour. Shoot, I might even look at daily. See what it gives us. It looks like it's going up. Looks like the yen's gonna go up, push up. And I like about this too on the funny pips. You guys probably noticed this. You can see the news, all the related news stuff. If you were wanting to trade, you can just show it up right here and just pull down, and it gives you all the updates and stuff. So the crude oil, I think you can trade crude oil on this account. I'm pretty sure. I love trading crude oil, especially on high impact news, and they will let you trade news. That's the cool thing about funny pips. This is a Forex prop firm. It'll let you trade in news if you wanted to. So if you get into crude oil, it's not really a big impact on the crude oil. Only if crude oil inventories is a good one for crude oil to really move. But really looks like there's not really some huge impact news as of today. So obviously you can look at tomorrow, and of course, and you can just look at news like this too, and it gives you the whole update of it. I guess not. Never mind. Yeah, but you can just look at the calendar, and then of course you can just look at whatever calendar you guys look at for high impact news. You just use that, let's see here. What else do I guys want to talk about? I did get stopped out on Top Step today again. Didn't follow my strategy. I was trying to scalp and I thought, oh, that's the one. Sorry guys. I'm just loss of thoughts because I was just so upset today because I had a bad day in trading. It happens though. And I don't want to be like this. Let's go to let's show. I'll show you what happened today. It's so stupid. I was pretty upset, honestly, guys. Just do that. Log in. Let me break it down. My weekly net P&L is gonna look bad. Negative 528. I had a high of 4,000, man. So I already had 3 days. Oh, 3 days of 1, 2. Yeah, 1, 2, 3. So I just need to trade 2 more days. So I just need to trade like 2 more days of $200 so I can get a payout. So that's not too bad. Did hit that though. It really sucks. But do not hit or exceed the day loss, or your account will be active for that trading day. Which, okay, it's whatever. It is what it is. So I just need to make $200 tomorrow, or more. Yeah, I got stopped out. It's just bummer, man. I'm like, it's so stupid. Can't go down $0. You can't go to $0. So I just need to trade 2 more days. So I'm gonna lose out on a pay. Well, I mean, I could 2 more days to trade it because I already have 3 days of 200 or more. So I like that. That's cool. That's great. You know. Yeah, let's just go to what we have made. I'm sure. Still 90% though. I like that. 524. Bad day. Just bad. Average win. Oh my word. But anyways. May 7th. Lost 1,000. 1,042.08. Really sucks. You guys, it really sucks, man. It's just like, you know, it happens though. It happens to us. You know, I want to be transparent with you guys. I want to tell you guys, hey, you know, this is what happened. You know. Oh man, losing trade, man. It's just it's a bummer. But anyway, so we had So we hit 582.88 one on May 8th. Hit 812 and hit 513.56, and we have some 2 bad red days. Ugh. Don't want to look at them. But it's okay, you know. Like you just you gotta learn from our mistakes and say, you know what, have to follow our strategies. You just have to follow strategies, you know. But yeah, I'll keep you guys posted in the next video. I'll tell you guys how I did, if I got a good day or a bad day. But yeah, I just want to show you guys my funny pips. You should check them out, you guys. It's pretty cool. I like them. The spread's really good too. I like the spreads. So I like the spreads. And you know, so that goal here, of course, if you were just go to new challenge, right? Match trader. Goal is I might buy the 10K, like I said. And try to pass this and just like kind of race the 5K and 10K and see who on like what account's gonna get me a faster payout, you know. Hopefully it's the 5K. Hopefully. Or maybe I'll just stick with the 5K maybe and just like see if I can get a good payout. If I can get a good payout, and then I'll just go straight for that 100,000. Go for the straight 100,000 and trade it. And trade the 100,000, and try to pass the 100K challenge to get funded. And then, because you know, the more you have, the more capital you have, the more contracts you can buy and sell, and that's the goal here. So hopefully, guys, I can get a payout on this prop firm too. Of course, I got to trade the second phase. I'll keep you guys posted on that. And we'll see. We'll go from there. Yeah, if you guys have any other questions about anything, just let me know. And if there's any prop firms also too you guys want me to do a review on, yeah, just let me know, and I'll do a review on them. Probably, so I'll do I might buy. I know I said in the last video that I might get a take profit trader. If you guys want me to do a review on them, buy the challenge, and then do a review on them, let me know if you guys want to do that. If you guys want me to do that, for you guys. So yeah, I would recommend get Top Step. They're not bad. They're not bad. They're the first prop firm I got a payout for, so that's great. I got $1,500 from them. I like it. But yeah, like I'll catch you guys in the next video. All right, just like and subscribe.